Today, I'm super excited to introduce to you the latest addition to our Artist Hub family, the Artist Pages. With Artist Pages, which is exclusively designed for DIY musicians, you can build your professional web presence in a matter of minutes. No more building a website from scratch or navigating complex content management systems. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Artist Pages come fully loaded with everything that independent musicians need to showcase their brand, such as artist profile with image gallery and a full discography linking to individual release pages, and a press section with contact details and press codes. On top of that, Artist Pages offer a modern design that takes usability and aesthetics to a whole new level. You can showcase all your releases in one page, which makes it easy for all your fan base to explore your music. Plus, you can share previews of your music to build excitement among your fans or feature your music video in an integrated video player. Are you planning a tour? Boost your ticket sale by promoting your tour and the upcoming gigs. Or get yourself a press coverage by showcasing your achievements. All this available to all musicians out there, no matter if you distribute your music with iMusician or not. Artist Pages even work for musicians who have not released a song yet, but they want to start out by building their brand. It's never too early to make a statement and establish your presence online. And here's the cherry on top. No page link will ever go away. Once you create your artist page, it will stay online forever. Are you ready to take your brand promotion to new heights? Hit the link in the description and learn more about Artist Pages today.